Hello kids! Let's learn some words starting with the letter Q which sounds k, 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 k. Come on, repeat with me. K, 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 k. K, coil. K, coin. K, quilt. Cushion. Quarter. Quite. Queen. Queen. Quilt. Cushion. Quarter. Quite. Cure and bow. Quartz. Queue. Quiz. Quotation mark. Quick. Cure and bow. Quartz. Cue. Quiz. Quotation mark. Quick. Quiz. Queen bee. Quack. Quit. Quad. Qual. Quince. Queen bee. Quack. Quit. Quad. Queen. Let's revise. Quill. Queen. Quilt. Cushion. Quarter. Quite. Quince and bow. Quotation mark. Quick. Cue. Quiz. Queen bee. Quince. Quack. Quit. Quad. Qual. Quartz.